Let us start. Let's take the problem x raised to power a over x raised to power b whole raised to power a plus b into x raised to power b x raised to power c whole raised to power b plus c x raised to power c x raised to power a whole raised to power c plus a. We have to prove this is equal to 1. तो देखिए बिल्कुल आसानी से कर सकते हैं. Let's start from left hand side. You have x raised to power a and x raised to power b. What property you have? Which type of property you have? You have the basic property that of division is a raised to power x over a raised to power y is equal to a raised to power x minus y, right? So let us apply this. If you have any other property, then you may try. But I think if we have this property, then let us try this problem first of all with this property. So let us try this property in this question. So when we use this property, this is equal to x raised to power a minus b whole raised to power a plus b, and then x raised to power b minus c whole raised to power b plus c, and then it is x raised to power c minus a whole raised to power c plus a, right? Now what you can apply here? What you can apply? The next property is basically a raised to power x whole raised to power y is equal to a raised to power xy, right? So it's better if we apply this property. When you apply this property, so this term will become x raised to power, you have to multiply these two powers, so it is a square minus b square, right? And the second term will become b square minus c square, and the third term will become c square minus a square, and this is equal to 1. Got it? Sorry, we have to prove this is equal to 1. So this expression is equal to this, and now you have three terms in product, and in each term the base is x. तो जब हमारे पास सेम बेस के साथ कुछ टर्म्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन में होती है तो हम उनकी पावर्स को क्या कर सकते हैं? वी मे ऐड देयर पावर्स. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू x रेज़ टू पावर a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. We may add the powers and just cancel out these powers. So this is x raised to power 0 and this is equal to 1. Got it? This is equal to 1. So this is a simple problem. If you have knowledge of all the properties, then it's not difficult to solve this type of problems. Now I'm giving you two problems for homework. It's better if you could do these problems. X raised to power a over x raised to power b, a square plus ab plus b square into x raised to power b, x raised to power c, b square plus bc plus c square, x raised to power c over x raised to power a, c square plus ac plus c square, and this is equal to 1. And the next one is prove this. I'll do this problem myself, so please first of all note it down. First problem is for your homework, and I'll explain this second problem. We have to prove this is equal to 1. Listen properly, listen carefully. देखिए जब इस तरह से प्रॉब्लम होता है, जब आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे अलग अलग टर्म्स एडिशन में हैं और एडिशन में हमारे पास कुछ इस तरह से कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी नहीं था, तो यहाँ पर हम जब यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर काफी बड़ा एक्सप्रेशन है, हर डिनोमिनेटर में काफी बड़े बड़े एक्सप्रेशन है। तो हमारी जो कोशिश रहती है, ऐसा रहता है कि हमारी कोशिश रहती है क्या हम डिनोमिनेटर्स में से कुछ कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं या उनको कुछ सेम बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि जब तक डिनोमिनेटर को हम सिंप्लीफाई नहीं करेंगे हम उन्हें ऐड नहीं कर सकते। अगर हम सोचेंगे कि उसको ऐसे ही एलसीएम लेके ऐड करेंगे तो इट विल बी अ मैसी वन। सो इट्स बेटर टू अवॉइड rigorous calculation. Try to do that problem with a smart solution. So try to find out a better solution, smart solution. So in this case, if we rearrange the terms, let's talk about the first term. If we rearrange it, we may write it like this: x raised to power a in the numerator, and then in the denominator we have x raised to power a plus x raised to power b plus x raised to power c. Or you may say just multiply the numerator and denominator of first problem with x raised to power a. When you do this multiplication in the numerator and denominator, you will get x raised to power a in the numerator, and here you will get x raised to power a. And in this, when you multiply x raised to power a, then in multiplication, whenever you have same base, their power will get added, so it will become x raised to power b, and this is x raised to power c, right? And similarly, for the second and third term, we may write it like this: x raised to power b, x raised to power b plus x raised to power a plus x raised to power c. And the third term is x raised to power c, x raised to power c plus x raised to power b plus x raised to power a, right? So left hand side, we may write left hand side equal to this. Got it? अगर हम यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखें, in all the three problems, base of all the three problems is same. In all the three terms, the base is same, so it's easy to take the LCM. So when we take the LCM, so this will be the LCM x raised to power a plus x raised to power b plus x raised to power c, and in the numerator we have x raised to power a from first term, x raised to power b from second, and x raised to power c from third term, and just cancel out the terms, so it is equal to 1. Don't cancel it like this, x raised to power a with x raised to power a. We can't cancel like this. You have to cancel this whole term, right? So जब भी आपके पास डिनोमिनेटर मैसी हो, कुछ बड़ा हो, is better to take something common, to find out something common in the denominators. Got it? Let's move to next problem. The next problem is, if we have 2 raised to power x equals 3 raised to power y is equal to 12 raised to power z, you have to prove 2 by x equals 2 by x plus 1 by y equals 1 by z. First of all, every problem, before looking into the solution, you should try each and every problem on your own. It's better if you can solve these problems using the properties described earlier. If you feel any problem, then you go for solution, then you look into the solution. Else try to solve each and every problem on your own. But after solving the problem, it's better if you look the solution for once. It may clear some of your doubt, it may give you some better solution, or maybe your solution may be better, but in maximum question you will get more confident. In any case, you will get more confident about your solution or our solution. Is better first you try yourself, and after that then look into our solution. Got it? चलिए बात करते हैं. देखिए 2 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power x is equal to 12 raised to power z. देखिए जब इस तरह से मल्टीपल इक्वालिटीज क्वेश्चन में गिवन हो, when you are given a question with multiple equalities, it's better to assume all these terms equal to some k. Got it? And from this you may find values of x, y, z, or you may require to find something else. But in this case we have to prove this. How we can prove this? So first of all we will arrange the terms in this pattern. So if we take kth root, xth root of first term for first and last term, so 2 can be written like this: 2 is equal to k raised to power 1 by x. Similarly 3 is equal to k raised to power 1 by y, and similarly 12 is equal to k raised to power 1 by z. Got it? And clearly 2 square into 3 is equal to 12, right? So we may write it like this: k raised to power 2 by x into k raised to power 1 by y is equal to k raised to power 1 by z. And मल्टीप्लाई में हम पावर ऐड कर सकते हैं. So this is equal to k raised to power 2 by x plus 1 by y is equal to k raised to power 1 by z. So this is k raised to power 2 by x plus 1 by y is equal to k raised to 1 by z. And using the property a raised to power x is equal to a raised to power y implies x is equal to y. So this gives 2 by x plus 1 by y equals 1 by z.
In this question, we will take k is not equal to 1 because for k equal to 1, all x, y, z will become 0. So that's why we will take k is not equal to 1.
Got it? And this is 2 raised to power 2 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by z.
For more solved example, practice from next video. Bye bye, take care.